Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 21. I cannot believe we're only 4 days away from Christmas. That's actually crazy to me. In today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my mom's hair, more specifically her roots, with henna. For those of you that don't know, henna is basically just a plant, I'm pretty sure, that is ground up like this. And then you, I think, just add water and mix it around. And then it turns into this, which is a paste. And then what you do is you just put it on the hair. So my mom's roots are white. So put it on the white hair and leave it in for about 3 hours. And then it dyes the hair red. And I think it lasts for about a month or two, 1 to 3 months, something like that. I already did this for her once. And so I'm going to attempt to do it again. I am obviously not a professional, so please don't judge my technique. This is just to have fun and hang out, because Vlogmas is about having fun and hanging out. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we will just get right into it. So this is what her hair looks like before. You can see how the red starts lower down. So we're just gonna dye all of the roots so that it all looks like this red color. Woo woo. Okay, so I'm just going to put on these gloves to make sure I don't dye my skin, because if you don't know, henna is also used for that beautiful design that people wear on their hands. So it will dye my skin. We're going to start from the bangs.
From top.
From the top?
Yeah. こうやってこうやって塗るじゃん。で次こうやって塗るじゃん。
あ、で前髪も入れる。
だから最初のトップハーフこういう感じで。
ああ、じゃあ描いた方がいいんじゃない？髪の毛。
そう？
ある？
持ってきてない。
ほ。
よし。持ってこないと。あるかな？
Alright, so I can't figure out the perfect camera angle, so I'm sorry about that, but I mean you can still see her. はい、待ってください。
じゃあ量を気をつけて。
Here we go! You can't even see me. Okay, here, go to the crouch sit. So once you put some on, what you're gonna do is take the other end, a thinner side of a brush, split it, and then move it to the side, and then you're gonna go over the other side of it, and then you're gonna keep going down. we did the front. For the back, you do it from top to bottom. I'm gonna divide it actually into 2 sections because it's a little thick. So I'll do half of it going this way and then the other half going the other way. Okay, so there's not enough henna left to finish, so she's just gonna make a little bit more. Buy some 今の2倍。これかな？多分。It's green.
Green が。
And then it turns brown. We go nobody knows. Don't say no. Oh, petticoat.
こんな感じになりました。
We're done!
Yes, so we have to wait for 3 hours.
Yep, I'll come back with the after shots. See you soon! Here's the after. So, as you can see, all the white hairs are gone. They have been dyed. And obviously it doesn't dye the black hair, it just dyes the white hairs. So this is how her hair looks now. I'd say it's pretty good, very red. So yeah, ta-da! That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!